right, ladies and gentlemen, we are very glad to still have all 15 of you with us, but only 12 by law are able to deliberate this case. So we'll randomly draw out 3 of your number, and I will call those out. When you hear your number called, just please remain seated. Juror 2895941, Juror 2896551, Juror 2895881. Do you solemnly swear to keep the jury together, to allow no one to discuss the case with them, and to not do so yourself?
I will.
All right, thank you. All right, for the 3 of you whose number I called, could you just raise your hands, the 3 that I called your number? All right, if the 3 of you will just remain seated, and then we'll let the other 12 of you go back to the jury room to begin your deliberations. You are released from the admonition that you're not to discuss the case with each other. Please discuss the case with each other fully. As I said, we'll send the exhibits and the original of the instructions back to you in just a few minutes. I believe your lunch is either here or on its way.
It's here. If you want to have your lunch, the 3 that remains here, just wait and I'll bring them to you. All rise for the party of the ring.
To the 3 of you whose number was chosen, you may feel some relief, you may feel some disappointment. You've sat through this trial and you've been extremely attentive, taken lots of notes, but we do all appreciate so very much the time and attention that you have paid to this case. You have helped us get through this. We're in a pandemic, and yet all 15 of you were able to be here each and every day, and we certainly are relieved for that. You are also relieved of the obligation to not speak about the case. You may want to talk with the attorneys, you may not. It might be helpful to them to hear from you, but if you wish not to speak with the attorneys or the media or anyone else, you are certainly not required to, and they will understand. As Anthony said, we do have your lunches for you. If you prefer to be escorted out by Anthony, he will be happy to do that for you. So if you will, just remain seated. I'm going to release everyone now so that they can leave the courtroom, and we will get your lunches for you. Thank you again. All right, we will be in recess until we hear back from the jury. Counsel, if you would leave me your phone numbers so that I can reach you if you're not going to be staying in the building.